Ani, hello, my name is Justice and I am from IDHC. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to assemble the Optomed camera. So, this is the case that the camera comes in. It is a black case, and inside of it there are multiple components. So, the first one we're going to talk about is the docking station, and there will be two cords attached. So we're going to put that down. In these two cords, there is a USB which will connect to the laptop so we can transfer the photos from the camera to the laptop. And then this will plug into the wall so you can charge the camera and the batteries. The second part we're going to talk about is the actual camera. So the camera comes in two different components. It is the lens and the handle. So in the handle, there are three holes, and on the lens there are three prongs. You're going to take the three prongs and you're going to line them up with the holes until you hear a click, and now the camera is put together. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the batteries. So there are two batteries in the case. The first battery will go into the camera. So what you're going to do is you're just going to flick this open. You're going to make sure that the three prongs here align in the camera. They go in camera first. And then you just close it, and the battery's in the camera. The second battery, we are going to put into the docking station, so there's a little spot for it right at the bottom, and you're going to line it up. And when it's plugged in, there will be a light to show that it is charging. The last piece is the eye cup. So there will be two eye cups with the camera, and you are going to interchange these pieces after every screen because this is what's touching the person's face. So how to put it on is you just line it up on the lens and you just press it together, and that's what the camera will look like. So to clean the eye cup, you can use any type of alcohol wipe or any type of cleansing wipe. You just have to make sure it is off the camera when you are cleaning it, and you want to make sure it's completely dry before you put it back on the camera, or else you can ruin the lens of the camera. This is what the camera looks like assembled and on the docking station. Now that the Optomed camera is assembled and charging, I'm going to walk you through the software setup. This is what you'll need to do at the beginning of each screening day. Before you go any further, make sure the camera's docking station is plugged into the laptop using a USB cable. This is important because the software relies on a stable connection to download images. On the desktop, look for two software programs, Optomed Client and iArt. There should also be a folder prepared. In this example, it's named DR Screens. This is where all patient image folders will automatically download. Now, open the Optomed Client software. If the camera doesn't automatically connect the way it does here, there will be a button that says Connect Device that you would click. If it does not automatically connect or show a Connect Device button, always double check that the docking station and the camera are properly connected using the USB cable. Now, before each screening event, open Settings. Here, we're going to make sure that all the required settings are toggled on, which is all of them. So show notification, auto start application, everything that can be toggled on should be toggled on. That's what it looks like toggled off. Most importantly is to make sure that the download location for patient folders is set to the folder that we created. In this case, it would be the DR Screens folder. Once this is confirmed, you can return to the camera content screen and then minimize the Optomed client so it runs quietly in the background. Please don't exit out completely. Next, we're going to open up iArt. This can take a few seconds to open, so just be patient. Once it is opened, click the Login button and enter your iArt credentials. Your username will be the email address you used to activate your account. If you forget what you set your password as, you can click the Reset Password button. Once you click the smaller Login button, iArt will load and stay ready for when we upload iPhotos later. At this point, both programs are open and ready to go. The camera is connected and charging, the software is open, and the photo download folder is set. This completes the software setup. Next, we'll move on to taking photos with the Optomed camera.